country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Venita don't come out again, come indirectly shade Eke and Adekunle. And also Bella and Sheggz, they don't come out to come debunk the rumor about their second breakup. So as we all know, the rumor of Sheggz and Bella breakup don't they go around since, and from what we see, Bella just wake up, remove all the pictures of Sheggz from her social media handle. So the thing called the people can they give different speculations, say they don't break up, all those type of things. So a particular fan can come out, can they talk to say she see Sheggz for public when he hold another woman for hand, say Sheggz don't move on quickly. So now that statement I can make Sheggz react, because since we say all these back and forth they go on, the guy never really talk anything, but that particular tweet, other person tweets, I can make Sheggz to come out to come react. So what did the person talk? The person say, BBN people, I just saw Sheggz romantically linking hands with a lady. I'm not sure it's Bella. Seems like someone move on quickly. So as she tweeted that, immediately the next Sheggz come out because he rest, I'm with the baddest. He can't put this video of himself and Bella together where we say that they do lovey. And if you go to Bella's page, you go see she don't bring back all the pictures of Sheggz where we say she remove. If it be say na archive, she archived them. So after Sheggz come out to come, she and Sheggz come out to come debunk the rumor, people still not believe her. They say na lie, say he just did do all these ones, make it just be to say one thing happen. The first person reacts under this their post, come out, come say, when I said he's not going to leave her, that he will apologize. All the new chants on this page attach me their mother, say na me, then they attack. Akukuma didn't respond to you all week so. Person can say, with the way you people are monitoring them, fear no go gree Sheggz leave Bella because una go drag am. Truth somehow, if Sheggz mistakenly leave Bella, no be small thing, no, he go suffer way for Shipper's hand. May go ask Pere them and them Soma. What happen to them? So even if anything they surface, I don't sure say Sheggz go gree make the thing surface for internet. That person can say, this girl just they waste her time with this shoopy boy. Fine girl where better guys go buy to have come his. The person can reply and say, how is she wasting her time? Are they not in a relationship? And take your frustration back to your house. Sheggz might not be perfect, but there's one thing where we say I admire about that boy. When that boy dey inside Big Brother house, if una notice, he not chase any other woman. He know, even before he started dating Bella, you not see him they try different women, the way all those they them behave. He did behave like that. He just stick to one woman to the end of the show. So he's not a promiscuous kind of person. That's now one thing why I respect the boy. Him and when we say no, they pursue woman up and down, he always live long. I never notice him. Whatever it is, when we say they go on for inside their relationship, I hope say they know they do one for people. I hope say they date together because they want to date together, not because of fear of waiting people go talk or how people go react. I just my own to take for inside. So onto Venita matter. Venita, a particular person from Big Brother and Zanzi. This Big Brother and Zanzi where we say they go on. So I know they really watch the show, but I they see the updates, all those type of things. So the person they talk about the betrayers where we say they sup for inside Big Brother and Zanzi house. Also the buzz where we say they go on for there. So Venita can't just turn the whole matter to become herself. So she can't come out, can't drop a tweet where we say can't make people blast her to shreds. Now the tweet where we say the person drop about the Big Brother and Zanzi matter and all of that. So Venita can come out, can reply, can say God keeps his own and may he continue to protect us from people who are strategic with us when we are genuine with them. Amen. So that statement, people can they call her out, say, babe, if there's one person to give this type of statement, not be you, Venita, because you were a pain in V's neck for her relationship with Neo. First person say Adekunle do Venita strong thing. I doubt she will ever hear. Come put laughing emoji. Another person can say, Venita, what you sow is what you will reap. God of V is alive. You ain't seen nothing yet. Come put laughing emoji. Next person say, Venita, you are speaking about your own very self. This is exactly what you did to Messi. See this one out. See, this thing where we say everybody they always point hand at Venita, not calling at Messi for the things where Messi do for inside the house. That thing they always do me somehow for. But the Messi Eke was never a saint to Venita. She was never, now she even started the betrayal before Venita can retaliate. So most of the time, everybody they always point her hand at Venita, leaving Messi Eke out of it. We watch the show, we see say now Messi does start to betray the girl from back. Even though say Mercy Eke fine, she no nominate Venita, but she lied to Venita severally. You deceive person, look person for face, the lie they give her severally, say you put her boyfriend, whereas you not put am. So now she start am to me. Now Mercy Eke I start this whole drama. Person here come say, and she was the bad person to Mercy now. Una dey see am. Another person come put laughing emoji. I no believe this day will come. Kama after frustrating V and championing Tolani Bash to be with Neo to hold V, your own friend do am to you, so e dey pain. Omo life na turn by turn. Another person come say, I'm only concerned about Z, what happened to her. The last person say, God of doing, Adekunle, thank you. I believe say I didn't been these people agree come for reunion, or they were not feeling too big to come to reunion. I believe say most of all these beef wey say they get with each other, they for don resolve and see now all of them don't become enemy go like that without resolving their differences. Well, they go dey alright. Una take care, una bye.